Welcome to the forefront of advanced heat pump innovation, where technology meets resilience. Introducing the TruClimate 900, the pinnacle of heat pump chiller technology. In a world where temperature extremes are the norm, the TruClimate 900 redefines what's possible. By utilizing OptiHeat inverter technology, TruClimate 900 can provide a heating capacity down to 5 degrees Fahrenheit ambient. The unit is capable of continuous operation at temperatures down to minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit ambient. It's a game changer in climate management. With 44-degree delivered chilled water temperature and 140-degree Fahrenheit delivered hot water temperature, the TruClimate 900 is able to utilize simultaneous heating and cooling to increase the performance of the chiller by over 50%. This is truly a heat pump chiller. And, aside from that unique classification, the unit sets itself apart with its adaptive technology, using variable speed compressors and fans, perfectly tailoring its performance to match the precise load requirements, ensuring exceptional heating and cooling efficiencies at all times. While most units are vulnerable to downtime due to maintenance or leaks, the TruClimate 900 operates differently. Each unit houses not one, but 2 compressors. This means that in a building with 4 units, one compressor needs servicing still leaves nearly 90% total capacity available. And let's talk frost mitigation, an area where competitor units fall short. Unlike them, the TruClimate 900's innovative OptiHeat technology enables our unit to stay online 44% longer. Our compressors, utilizing vapor injection technology, combined with HydroLink 2 controls, ensure uninterrupted efficiency, significantly lowering operational costs and maintaining comfort for occupants. The TruClimate 900, engineered for the future, delivering unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Transform your space with a chiller that's always ahead of the curve. TruClimate, redefining climate control. Visit WaterFurnace.com/commercial to learn more.